Hi, welcome to Gem Solutions. So we have completed the GMB steps like to creating the profile, to managing the profile, to adding the user and all the things we have done. So right now we have created a checklist like the GMB checklist. You can use it for your business to manage them. Like the task is there, you can check the task like business name is done, status done. The notes is also there. According to that you can match like it is very good or not. Business category is there, like choose the most accurate primary category, add secondary category if needed, get business detail attribute like include details like. So basically all the steps are there in this Google My Business checklist. You can use it for your Google My Business profile or for your client Google My Business profile. The step is there like how you can access this, and all the things is there. So you can easily download this checklist from the link. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question related to the Google My Business course, you can ask. Thank you for watching this.